Good morning. So today we're going to look at energy. Now, if you had a little look before, you should know that energy can be stored. It can be contained in one thing. So let's think about our store of energy as a box, for example. I've got all my energy contained in this box. Now, what happens is the store can empty and another store can fill. Now, we've looked at a little video about that where we've used water to demonstrate one emptying and one filling. But what I want you to do today is I want you to look around your house and I want you to think, whenever you're looking at an object, where's the energy store? So for example, at the moment it's 9:30. So I've been up already and I made myself a coffee first thing this morning. So when I make my coffee, out my coffee machine, it's boiling hot, and I know to start with, if I'm thinking about temperature increase, I know that this starts as a thermal energy store. But then over the course of the morning, so by about now, my coffee's totally cooled down. So that's telling me that my thermal store has decreased and another store has increased. And that's what I want you to be thinking about, is whenever you pick up an object, a toy, anything around your house, I want you to think about, well, what's the store, what's emptying, and what's filling? And let's go through some examples. Here we have a toy car, classic. If we pull the toy car back, it's then become loaded, we release the car and it shoots across the table. Pause the video here, try and guess the start store, the end store, and how the energy transfers. So what's happening is as we pull the car back, the elastic store is filling. As the elastic store is filled, we can release the car, the elastic store will empty and the kinetic store will fill. It's transferred by a mechanical pathway. For our second example today, we're going to use a games console. So I'll talk about my PlayStation 3 at home. So when I switch my PlayStation 3 on, at first the temperature is quite cool, and over time I know this will increase. That's telling me that energy is moving from one store to another. Let's pause and have a think and leave it running. Right, so explaining this. So to begin with, when I switch my PlayStation on, it will work because it's plugged into the mains. So I know this is an electrostatic store emptying. And over time, if temperature increases, that's a thermal energy store increasing. Okay, so that store is filling. This means that it is moving by an electrical pathway.